Hey everyone, welcome back to Best Reviews. Today, we're diving into the deep with our list of the top 5 best underwater scooters in 2025. The ultimate gadgets to make your next swim, snorkeling, or diving adventure more exciting than ever. If you love discovering cool tech and want to stay updated with the best gear out there, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that like button to support us. And don't worry. You can find all the product links conveniently listed in the description box below, so you can check them out for yourself. Let's get started. Kicking off our list is the Subnado twin engine package, perfect for those who love accessories and customization. Compact and highly portable, each scooter measures only 14.84 by 2.75 inches and weighs just 3 pounds, about the size of a soda bottle, making it travel-friendly with its airline-approved 98 watt-hour battery. It features a proprietary battery system with 100-watt fast charging that tops up in just 1.2 hours, plus a 3-speed gear and cruise mode giving you up to 56 minutes of runtime and a thrust of 14.33 pounds. Even better, it supports 100-watt reverse charging, so you can power your devices on the go. At number 4, the Geneinno S2 is designed with kids, beginners, and pool enthusiasts in mind. Lightweight and compact, it offers dual-speed options for both casual swimming and training sessions, while its child lock safety feature makes it a great choice for families. Despite its beginner-friendly design, the S2 still supports action camera compatibility, so you can record your underwater fun. It's an excellent pick if you're looking for something safe, simple, and easy to handle. In third place, we have the stylish Waydoo Subnado Black and Red version, which keeps the same compact size and travel-friendly features as the standard Subnado, but adds a sleek new look. Measuring just 14.84 by 2.75 inches and weighing 3 pounds, it's perfect for carry-on travel, with an airline-approved 98 watt-hour battery. It supports quick 1.2-hour fast charging, 3 speed modes, cruise control, and up to 56 minutes of usage with 14.33 pounds of thrust. Runner-up on our list is the futuristic Sublue Vapor Pump Jet, designed for both underwater exploration and surface fun. With its streamlined design and advanced propulsion system, it delivers smooth and effortless movement through the water. The Vapor's innovative engineering makes it suitable for divers, snorkelers, and even casual adventurers, offering performance and sleek looks in one package. It's a solid choice if you want a scooter that blends power with style. Taking the top spot is the Navbow Plus, the fastest and most powerful option in our lineup. Featuring dual motors that deliver an impressive 33 pounds of thrust, this scooter is strong enough to pull multiple people. It comes with 3 gear modes: free mode at 2.24 miles per hour, sport mode at 3.36 miles per hour, and turbo mode at 4.47 miles per hour, making it one of the speediest scooters available. With up to 60 minutes of intermittent use, or 45 minutes continuous in free mode, it balances endurance with performance.